If you have a gap, you can easily fix it with a bit of hot stuff, extra gap filling glue, and sawdust. I used a drum sander to gather the fine sawdust of the darker colored wood, wingay in this case. Put a few drops of the CA hot stuff glue. Mix in your sawdust. You want it sort of thick. And then fill in your crack. Try to get it nice and flat. And then let dry. You can use accelerator if you want to speed up the process. And then you'll take it over and sand it. I sanded the surface slightly, and you can see how the seam is almost invisible, the gap. Once I put a finish on this, you won't even be able to tell it's there.